Center. We are here with our model today, Izzy Coupe. She's my wife. She works in the front desk. She helps a lot with all the paperwork, with the assistant to me in everything. She's very helpful to me. So today we're gonna make an adjustment on her so you can see how we work here in Health Chiropractic Center. So what is the complaint for you today?
I have pain in my neck, my shoulders, and my lower back.
Okay, so what do you think is about this problem that you have?
I watch my phone a lot, I work with the computer a lot, so I think I bend over and that causes the pain.
As a husband and as a chiropractor for her, it's like I always try to say to her, like I try to get a good posture, like, be ergonomic when you work in the front desk in front of your computer. And now we're gonna perform the adjustment for her, so she's gonna be laying here. So first of all, we're gonna check here the difference of the legs. That is very important. When you see here, we see like the right leg is longer than the left. That means like the pelvis have rotations towards the side. If the pelvis in this side is rotated anterior and superior, and this side is posterior and inferior. That rotation of the pelvis creates an imbalance in the whole spine. Okay, we're gonna check the flexibility of the legs and the feet. Any tenderness here?
No.
Gonna check for the full, the navicular bone. So we're gonna do the first adjustment here. We're gonna use the drop. So the navicular bone is ready set up. So as you see here, there's big change. The legs are getting even right now. I'm gonna check the SI joint, the sacroiliac joint. This side is more stuck than this side. I'm gonna check the lumbar, the full spine. Any pain, any tenderness?
No.
That's good. So we're gonna use like some machine that creates like a relaxation for the musculature first. How does that feel?
Good.
So with this one, we like the muscle, the musculature that is tense around the spine gets like more relaxed and is more easy for the chiropractor to make the adjustment. And also improve the circulation for the whole body. So after this, we're going to check again how is the musculature side to side. We check the symmetry. So we're gonna prefer the second adjustment on the thoracic. Take a deep breath, all the way out, relax. Good. Good. Everything okay?
Yeah.
Good. So you're gonna lie on the side towards me, please. You're going to adjust the area of the pelvis and on the lumbar side. Put the patient on the side, this leg straight, this leg bending here. Take a deep breath, all the way out. Good. You're going to check the other side. Come a little closer to me, please. Good. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. We're gonna lay on your back, please. Now we're gonna check the neck. You can put your hands across it, good. And relax your shoulder. Relax your neck, let it free. You can feel some restriction. You're gonna release that. Okay. Take a deep breath. All the way out, relax. Good. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. Just gonna have a seat towards the side. Okay, it's gonna check how is the improvement in your back after the adjustment. So everything is moving properly, there is more flexibility in your full spine. So how do you feel it?
I feel better. I feel like the tension in my shoulders is gone and my neck feels more loose, so I feel really good.
Okay, that's good. That's a good news. So this is what American chiropractic adjustment looks like. We can make this for you here in Hen Chiropractic Center. You can follow us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You can make an appointment online or you can call us by phone. You can find the information in the box below. If you like the video, just don't forget to click the button on like and subscribe. Goodbye guys!